Hi children, welcome back to the same chapter 9 HCF and LCM. In the previous video we have learned what is factors, how to find factors, how what is multiple, then highest common factor, how to find it, and some word problems and some practice set questions where you have solved some questions to get the answers. Now in this video we'll be learning about LCM, that is least common multiples. Okay, let's begin with it. Coming to LCM, that is least common multiples, please remember multiple means the table of that particular number asked. For example, in your childhood or in primary section, you have recited or you have by hearted the tables of 2, 3, 4 and so on, like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So multiples in that case is 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and so on. So in LCM we have to write these multiples, these tables. Okay, now here multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on. Multiple of 4, here it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. So please keep it in mind, you need not write many, just write up to 12 or 15 multiples, it's more than enough. Don't write more than that. So here the common multiples of 3 and 4 are I got it as 12, then 24, then 36. So which is the common factor? 12, 4 and 24 and 36. So which is the smallest number in this is 12. Lowest means the smallest common factor, common multiple, sorry, whichever it is, we will write that as LCM. So here 12 is the lowest common multiple. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now please note again, 3 and 4 are relative prime numbers. So the LCM of relative prime numbers is the product of these numbers. It's easy to find without doing these method, if to find it in tricky manner. As of now you have to write multiples and all, but when you grow more big, like in higher standards, there if somebody is asking you to find the LCM, if it is 3 and 4 like these relative prime numbers, just multiply the number and you'll get the answer as LCM. If it is relative prime number, keep that in mind. Now we'll start from practice set 25 because we have more number of questions in your practice set. So we'll do by that. First one here we have is 19, 9 and 15. Multiples of 9, I'll write the table of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99 and so on. For 15, I will write 15's table. And here I have the common multiple of 9 and 15 as 45 and 90, which is the lowest 45. Hence LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. Next, multiple 2, 3 and 5. Here I have 3 numbers. So when I'll find the common multiple, I have to find in all 3 whichever is common, only that I will write. Okay. Now, multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Then 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on. So which is the common factor here? Only 30. So sorry, common multiple is 30. Hence LCM, that is lowest common multiple of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Now as it is, I have number 12 and 28. I'll write the table of 12 till the 12th digit or the like 15th digit, numbers I will have. Then multiples of 28, as it is a big number, the highest which I get common, I have stopped there. You can write more up till 12 or 15 numbers. Now the common multiple of 12 and 28 here I got is 84 and 168. So among this, which is the smallest? 84. Hence my LCM is 84. Got it? Now next, 15 and 20. Multiples of 15, I'll write the table of 15. Multiples of 20, I'll write the table of 20. So common multiples of 15 and 20 is 60 and 120. So the lowest common multiple, that means the lowest common multiple here is 60. So LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Now you have a sum for homework, like for practice, you can do it. That is 8 and 11. You'll write the multiples of 8 and multiples of 11. Find the common multiple of both, and the whichever smallest multiple is there, it's your LCM. Now, the word problems. On the playground, if the children are made to stand for a drill, either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are complete and no child is left out. This is the condition. Okay. So what is the lowest possible number of children? They are saying either 20 or 25 in a row is okay, but all the rows should be complete and no child should be left. So what is the lowest possible number of children in that school? We have to find the least number of children in that school. So to find the at least number of children in the school, we need to find the LCM of 20 and 25. It's easy now to find the LCM because we just need to write the table of the number given. So table of 20 I have written and table of 25 I have written. So which is common multiple of 20, 25 here? It's 100 and I have 200. Which is the smaller number? 100. So my LCM is 100. So the least number of children in that school will be 100. Next. Veena has some beads. She wants to make necklaces with equal number of beads in each. If she makes necklaces of 16, 24 and 40 beads in each. So it's a condition that no beads should be left over. So least number of beads with her is, we have to find least common multiple. So here write the table of 16, 24 and 40. So 16 I have written up till 15 numbers and multiples of 16, and 24 also I have written multiples of 40. Now which is the common multiple of 16, 24 and 40? Here I got 240 as the common multiple of 16, 24 and 40. So since I got only one number, my LCM will also be only that particular number, that is 40. So Veena has at least 240 beads. Now this question given here is for your homework, that is to practice. So what is the question? An equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. Okay. The laddus in first box is to be distributed among 20 children. Laddus in second is to be distributed in 24 children. And laddus in third is to be distributed in 12 children. So no single laddu should be left over in each of the boxes. What is the minimum number? It's easy. You will find the multiple of 20, multiple of 24, multiple of 12, and then the common multiple of all three. Whichever is the smallest number, that is your least common multiple. Got it? So do it, and if any doubts you can just ask me in the comment section. Coming to the next question. We observed that the traffic lights at 3 different squares on the same big road. So there was traffic light at 3 different squares on the same road. They turn green every 60 seconds, 120 seconds and 24 seconds. Okay. In each of the 3 squares. First square it turns in every 60 seconds. In the second square it's 120 seconds. After 120 seconds the light turns green. In every 24 seconds in the third square it is turning towards green. When the signals were switched on at 8 o'clock in the morning, that is 8 a.m. all the lights were green at 8 a.m. sharp. So they are asking me after that when will the light turn into green again. So here we have to find the LCM of 60, 120 and 24. For this I'll write the multiples of 60, table of 60 I wrote, multiples of 120, table of 120 I wrote, multiples of 24 at the table of 24. The common multiple here I got is in all the 3 tables, that is 120 is common and then 240 is common. So which is the smallest here? 120 is the smallest common multiple, hence the LCM is also 120. So 120 seconds means 2 minutes. So after every 2 minutes the light will turn green, that is 8 o'clock, then 8:02, then 8:04, like that. After every 2 minutes the light will turn towards green. Now next, the last question of the lesson. Given the fraction 13 upon 45, 13 by 45 and 22 by 75, write their equivalent fractions with same denominators and add the fractions. They have asked us to add it also. Now see the denominators here, it's 45 and 75. We have already learned that with different denominators we cannot get the addition done. We need common denominators. To find common denominators, always remember you have a new method, that is LCM. Just take the LCM of 45 and 75. Whatever number you get is your denominator. So to find the LCM, I'll write the table of 45 and 75. That is multiples of 45 I wrote. Then multiples of 75. 75, 150, 225, 300 and 375. Now common here is 225. Right? So common multiple is 225. 45 and 75, we have only one common multiple, hence the LCM is also 225. Now for 45 it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth digit, like fifth. 45 into 5 is 225 and for 75 it is 3. So 75 into 3 is 225. So while equalizing, what I'll do, I'll multiply the first fraction, that is 13 by 45 into 5 in the numerator and denominator, and 22 by 75 into 3 in the numerator and denominator. I'll get the answer as 65 upon 225 and 66 by 225. So here now I got the common denominators. So 225 being common, I said how to find it. Now I'll add it. The answer I got at last is 131 upon 225. So my equivalent fraction, the sum of it is 131 upon, that is by 225. 131 by 225. Now I guess you all understood how to do this LCM, that is least common multiples. So still, if you have any doubts, children, you are free to ask me in the comment section or the DCS, whichever I keep. Now remember once again, for HCF, find the factors or divisors using the test of divisibility. For LCM, just write the table, that is multiples of that particular number. In each you can write up to 10, 15 or 12 numbers as their factors and multiples and get their common factors or common multiples and HCF and LCM. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Thank you once again to listen to the video, and please don't forget to write it as your notes for your revision purpose. Thank you.